Good morning, everyone. Well, at least it's morning where I am. So I just decided to make some biscuits and gravy. So I just preheated my oven to 425 and then I just buttered up my pan. So I decided to use the Popeyes baking biscuit mix just for convenience, although I can make biscuits homemade if I wanted to. But I really wanted to see how these are going to turn out. So then I just added the milk and butter, and I spooned about 6 of them onto the pan, popped them in the oven for about 18 minutes, and then I just chopped up some sausage links and just cooked those for just a couple of minutes, and then I transferred them to another pan. And then I took the remaining fat and just spooned in some flour and some milk and just mixed it all together to create the gravy. So these are the biscuits right out of the oven. They look fabulous. And don't forget to mix the sausage in with gravy. And you cannot skip out on the butter. So I just put on a ton of butter on these delicious looking biscuits and just plopped it on top. And I think it turned out fabulous. And I'm just going to show you guys what it looks like on the inside. And yes, these were amazing. So that completes this recipe. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys enjoyed, just hit that like button down below. I'll see you guys next time. Take care. Bye.